Uh-oh. Let's get Mr. Clean Magic Eraser.
Wow.
Oh,
minimal effort.
It's a miracle. Hello there. Brittany and I are doing baby doll restoration. Say hi, Britt.
Hi. To my big head.
Anyway, here we have, what's the name of these dolls?
Baby Alive.
Baby Alive. Baby Alive.
From like 2000.
It's got the name on the back of the head. Baby Alive. So Baby Alive has some damage, if you want to call it damage. And I am going to use some bleach. I'm going to use some bleach on the damage. Bleach. Not coming off. Not coming off. Now we take the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. And I am so glad I tried this years ago because it became my favorite cleanup sponge. So, just gonna rub this over and see if it comes off. Okay. A little rubbing, for the most part, came off. And what was the other one on the hand here? Yeah. And that came off. Another. So that's off. Okay. Like I said, this has become my favorite cleanup. Put some more neon. Let's clean that up. This takes crayon off of plastic. So when your kids, or in my case, grandkids, color with crayon on your wall or on their toys. I tried Fantastic, I tried bleach. The only thing that took that off was the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. If you don't have it, I suggest you get it. We'll be back with Brittany
and my brat dolls.
Baby dolls. And here we have porcelain doll. So I have the bleach rag, which, like I said, I did this before this video, and I hope you can see that. It was not coming off. This is the second do over,
Can I close the door
and
crawl space?
Yeah.
now I am going to use the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and let's see, it's still there. The sun's coming in, so it's real great. Okay. I'll use this. Oh, that came right off. That came right off.
Good as new.
Good as new is right.
Look at all those baby dolls.
Yeah.
Guinea pig bite and some paint
And here's Ken.
with a horrible back tattoo.
Kind of the job that does. Let's see if it takes it off.
Nothing.
No. These are hard plastic.
Minus this little speck. Maybe I put that there on purpose to make him have an eyebrow ring. No. You know what? I'm gonna leave it because it's taking off his actual eyebrow.
Well, we don't want to
That's
do that.
how good it is.
Oh my God.
I took off some of his eyebrow.
Yeah. Wow. Permanent paint on a Ken doll that you would never be able to get off. And the magic eraser.
Oh.
Wow. I wonder if that was, no, it couldn't have been nail polish. Did we try the Fantastic on that?
Yeah, we did. Okay, slowly, you're seeing less of a soccer ball man.
Wow. That's great.
Cool.
Should we color him a crayon and take it off?
I think we already solved the crayon.
Okay. I'm going to use the red first. Do not attempt this at home unless you're over the age of 21 and have your parents' consent.
What should I draw?
I don't know, just draw like a heart or something. Okay, so regular Crayola crayon. And Brittany's going to use Fantastic. Let's see how Fantastic works. Uh-oh.
They say Fantastic works for everything.
Well, let's get ready. Fantastic.
Are you still on here?
Okay.
Eggshells. should
Let's
come out.
get Mr. Clean Magic Eraser.
Wow.
Oh,
Minimal
my.
effort.
It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Okay, let's do the black.
Black.
That's
Guys, he's still on
daring.
there.
He won't be in the Belmont. He won't make the Kentucky.
I pressed a little harder with this one.
Wow. Rub your finger. Oh. Okay. We are again going to start with Fantastic.
Now that my baby dolls are all fantastic. Okay, so I took off the smudges,
Yeah.
but it's not taking off anything else.
And this is Fantastic.
Heavy duty.
That's in everybody's home. But when you have kids and grandkids that are coloring with crayons on your walls,
And
you
you-
need Mr. Clean
Magic
Eraser.
Eraser.
We should say that all together.
Gotta use a little more pressure on the black.
Because I really pressed it on there too.
It really is a miracle. It's a miracle. You all need to get your Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Say goodbye.